Life on the enigmatic exoplanet K218b could be real, but there's a shocking twist no one anticipated. The James Webb Space Telescope has identified 4 potential indicators of life on this distant world, located 120 light-years away. However, this groundbreaking discovery comes with a chilling warning that cannot be overlooked. JWST's findings on K218b are sending shockwaves through the scientific community. Orbiting a red dwarf star, the planet is displaying unusual behavior, making it a focal point for researchers. One of the most intriguing revelations is the detection of methane and carbon dioxide. While these gases are remarkable on their own, their combination, along with water, hints at something even more extraordinary, the potential for biological activity. But that's not all. The telescope also detected dimethyl sulfide DMS, a compound that, on Earth, is exclusively produced by living organisms, primarily algae. This could mean K218b is harboring a biological secret that has the potential to rewrite what we know about life beyond our planet. And scientists are getting closer than ever to uncovering the truth. What does this exoplanet actually look like? Well, that's a tougher question to answer. Even the powerful JWST isn't capable of capturing a direct image of its surface. So no alien selfies, unfortunately. Instead, the telescope analyzes the light the planet absorbs and emits. Different surfaces, like oceans, forests, or deserts, reflect light in distinct ways. Right now, what we have is essentially a light fingerprint of this world, revealing a thick, hydrogen-rich atmosphere and an abundance of water. We also know it's about 8.5 times the size of Earth, placing it in a category scientists call Hycean worlds. In simple terms, that means it's a massive water-covered planet with a warmer climate, almost like a giant greenhouse filled with water. Astronomers have been puzzled by a strange glow surrounding WASP 76b, known as the glory effect. This phenomenon occurs when light scatters off particles, similar to the glowing mist seen around mountains or clouds on Earth. In the case of WASP 76b, light from its nearby star interacts with iron clouds, reflecting and forming a halo around the planet. Scientists believe that studying these unusual effects could challenge some of our existing ideas about physics. As the James Webb Space Telescope JWST continues to reveal unexpected cosmic phenomena, some scientists are beginning to question whether our current understanding of physics can fully explain the universe's extreme and mysterious conditions. This exoplanet might even offer our best opportunity yet to detect extraterrestrial life, perhaps in the form of microscopic, plant-like organisms. Meanwhile, planets like WASP 76b serve as a reminder of the universe's unpredictability, where every potential ocean-covered paradise is contrasted by wild, alien landscapes. There's a planet out there raining iron. We're just beginning to scratch the surface of what's out there, and it's becoming clearer that the universe is full of surprises, some hopeful, some bizarre, and all worth exploring. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning. This exoplanet has really shaken things up for astronomers. It's almost like the universe decided to throw us a bone, hinting that life might not be as rare as we once thought. The red dwarf star it orbits, known as K218, isn't exactly the most welcoming host. Red dwarfs are known for their erratic behavior. Sometimes they flare up, sending out blasts of radiation. But even with that, the conditions of this world seem promising. The thick hydrogen atmosphere acts like a big, protective blanket, shielding the planet from some of the worst effects of its star's tantrums. Plus, with all that water, it could be the perfect environment for some hardy, resilient forms of life. If we pause for a moment to reflect on what this means for our understanding of the universe, it's truly remarkable. Just a few decades ago, we didn't even know that planets orbited other stars. Now, not only are we finding them in staggering numbers, but some might even harbor life. The more we explore, the clearer it becomes that the universe is far more mysterious and diverse than we ever envisioned. Take planets like WASP 76b, for instance, worlds that defy expectations, where iron rains from the sky and temperatures soar high enough to liquefy metal. Then there's this newly identified water world, seemingly designed for life. The concept of a planet entirely covered in water once belonged to the realm of science fiction, but now it's becoming a scientific reality. This exoplanet offers us a glimpse of what such a world might actually be like. One without continents or mountains, just vast endless oceans. While we're still a long way from physically exploring such places, the data from the James Webb Space Telescope is the next best thing. It's showing that these planets aren't just lifeless rocks floating in space, but vibrant, intricate worlds, brimming with mysteries yet to be discovered. K218b keeps surprising scientists, raising new questions about what's happening there. Is there evidence of potential life? This world is a symbol of hope, a reminder that life might not be confined to this little blue that we call home. The fact that we found a planet that has all the right ingredients for life, and that it's only 120 light years away, suggests that the universe might be full of places like this, places where life, in one form or another, has taken hold. And if there's one thing we've learned, it's that where there's water, there's a good chance that life could follow. The search for extraterrestrial life is really just beginning. We've got better telescopes, better instruments, and more data than ever before. And with every new discovery, we're learning that the universe is a lot more interesting than we could have possibly imagined. This exoplanet is just one among countless others. And if we've already found one with the potential to support life, who's to say there aren't hundreds or even thousands more? The truth is, we have no idea what lies beyond our world, but we're steadily getting closer to finding out. In the coming years, scientists will continue studying this planet and others like it, refining measurements, analyzing distant atmospheres, and possibly even uncovering undeniable signs of life. The journey will be long and challenging, but the rewards could be extraordinary. Imagine waking up to the news that we're not alone, that somewhere out there, an ocean brims with life. Even if it's just microscopic algae, such a discovery would forever change our understanding of our place in the universe. But let's not forget the potential. Imagine if this planet does have some form of life, maybe not advanced civilizations with cities and technology, but simple organisms that have adapted to thrive in a hydrogen-rich, radiation-bombarded environment. That would be astonishing. It would mean that life can exist in forms very different from what we have here on Earth, and that the universe is capable of supporting life in a wider variety of places than we ever thought possible. It would also mean that planets we might have previously written off as too weird could actually be worth another look. Artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly crucial role in this quest. Telescopes like the JWST produce an immense volume of data. Millions of tiny signals, any of which could contain hints of extraterrestrial life. AI algorithms are particularly effective at processing this vast dataset, uncovering patterns that would take humans an impractical amount of time to detect. Imagine it as an ultra-dedicated assistant, tirelessly sifting through massive amounts of information without exhaustion or error. This ability is vital, as the signals we're searching for are often faint and buried within layers of background noise, making them easy to overlook. This exoplanet is just one piece of a vast cosmic puzzle. It's an intriguing fragment, offering tantalizing clues, yet there's so much more left to uncover. With thousands of exoplanets out there, each one tells its own unique story. Some are scorching hot, others freezing cold, but a few might just have the right conditions for life. And it's not just about temperature or distance from a star. It's the intricate combination of factors that shape an environment where life could possibly emerge. The more we learn, the more we realize how much remains unknown. That's what makes this journey so thrilling. Every new discovery sparks even more questions, reminding us that the universe is full of surprises and that we've only begun to explore its depths. Whether or not we find life on this world, our ability to detect these faint signals, analyze them, and debate their meaning is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. In the coming years, we may gather more data that brings us closer to an answer, or we may develop groundbreaking methods to study these distant worlds with greater precision. Until then, we continue to observe, listen, and wonder, because at its heart, science is about asking questions, seeking answers, and pushing the boundaries of our understanding. Could K2-18b harbor more than just microscopic life beneath its surface?